This looks like this is up near North Lake.
This is
your neighborhood.
This is outside my front door.
Okay, tell us about what you
my husband did not listen. He's watching. He did not listen to you, Vitas. He walked outside.
Ooh, that's
and
close.
you'll see where I ruin his video because I called him to get inside. Thank God
As you should.
He is okay. My mother lives 30 seconds from us and she's okay. But my fear is that a couple neighborhoods in Avenir got this touchdown with this tornado. That's my fear, is that, you know, he wants to get out in the car and go survey damage now.
Question, do you know if he was looking east or west? Was that east or west?
That is looking south, I believe, right?
Yeah, that's going to be southwest.
So
Yes.
it's coming your way.
It's coming. And he said he could watch it coming north. And he said it's exactly how people say it sounds like a train.
Yeah.
And you can hear the anxiety in my voice because he made me cry. I was so upset about this.
Yeah.
Well, we thank him for sending the video in.
Yes.
We thank Craig, and fortunately your house is okay.
Yeah, and this is what it means when it's close to home. It literally,
Yes.
all of our neighbors in Palm Beach County and the Treasure Coast now dealing with this. By the way, just real quickly, some updates on the power outages you guys were talking about. Right now, it is significant. Palm Beach County has close to 9,000 people who are without power. This according to FP&L. And then the other big hit is over in St. Lucie County, where it is more than 12,000 people are without power. So this is why, you know, it's a good reminder, if you have a battery-operated weather radio, you may want to dust that off, because if you don't have any power right now, it is tough. And this is the time when you're going to want to hear this life-saving information as these fellows track this information.